How to make money online with Amazon. Are you eager to uncover how to make money on Amazon? We're about to explore proven methods to help you earn in this new era. Don't worry if you feel you've missed the e-commerce wave. It's just starting to pick up speed. While platforms like eBay, Shopify, Walmart, and Etsy offer opportunities to make money from home, we at Jungle Scout believe Amazon remains the best. With over $574 billion in revenue in 2023, half of which came from third-party sales, Amazon is a goldmine. Curious about how to make money on Amazon? There are numerous methods, both involving selling and not. This guide covers practical and proven ways to help you find the best fit for you. Why should you trust us? At Jungle Scout, we've assisted hundreds of thousands of sellers in building successful Amazon businesses. For instance, Kim Meckwood of Click and Carry built her Amazon business with our help. If you're new to selling on Amazon, we have a comprehensive guide to get you started. Additionally, check out our video guide, Ways to Make Money on Amazon from Home, for further insights. Ready to dive in? Let's begin with the top method, selling your own private label products on Amazon. Utilizing Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA network, around 54% of sellers run their business this way. Private label involves manufacturing an existing item, adding your branding, and selling it. Known also as white labeling, it's a common retail practice. Examples include Target's Mainstays and Walmart's Great Value brands. FBA simplifies this process by handling shipping and delivery, often within 2 days. This service lets business owners list products on Amazon and earn from sales without managing logistics directly. Amazon offers several advantages for private labeling. You can estimate sales with tools like Jungle Scout, source products via platforms like Alibaba, and list them on Amazon without handling shipments yourself. Alternatively, you can choose to fulfill orders yourself using Fulfillment by Merchant, FBM. Jungle Scout's tools can aid in starting, growing, and scaling your Amazon business. Revenue potential is substantial. Many sellers earn at least $1,000 monthly, with top sellers making over $100,000. Approximately 40% earn between $1,000 to $25,000 monthly, translating to annual sales of $12,000 to $300,000. To learn more about selling private label products, Jungle Scout offers a free guide, How to Sell on Amazon. For visual learners, there's an in-depth How to Sell on Amazon for Beginners video on YouTube. Another way to make money is through Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. This allows you to publish both digital and print versions of your books on Amazon. Although writing prolifically increases success, even single popular books can be profitable. Creating low or medium content books like journals or coloring books is another KDP option. Income varies, but some authors earn over $40,000 monthly. Even a few $100s monthly is a win for this passive income stream. Once your ebook is uploaded, sales become relatively hands-off. For more information on KDP, check out our detailed guide and YouTube video. Selling wholesale products is another lucrative method. Unlike private labeling, you purchase and resell other companies' products. This method doesn't involve manufacturing or branding, making it a popular choice. With 25% of sellers using this method, 26% make $5,000 or more monthly. Profit margins can exceed 20%. However, competition can drive prices down, so strategic buying and selling are crucial. To learn about selling wholesale, Jungle Scout's product database helps identify worthwhile products and brands. Our guide provides a thorough overview of starting a wholesale business on Amazon. Finally, the Amazon Associates program lets you earn by promoting products. Share special links via blogs, YouTube, TikTok, or social media, and earn commissions on sales. High traffic can lead to significant earnings. Affiliate incomes vary widely, from hundreds to tens of thousands monthly. Conversion rates and volume often compensate for lower commission rates. Building a decent online following is essential for success. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Clever Money Ideas. Thanks for watching.